Hey, so I found some now, though. You fucking drunk, bitch. Shut the fuck up. Let me tell you something. Look. So, I didn't try on the camel toe panties, but I got so we opened up the camel toe panties. Them shits don't have implanted pussy lips, so I don't even care anymore. I wanted the pussy lip implants, kind of like a bra. But there's no fucking pussy lip implants. That shit was just panties with the fucking seams cut to a certain way to make it look like your pussy is fat. But that's bullshit. I don't need that shit. I need fucking implants, bitch. Trying to get them little chubby pussy lips.
Eyewitness. And, you know, I don't know whether...
Yo, this Joe Rogan shit just turned on my fucking laptop. I almost just had a fucking panic attack. What blush am I wearing? I'm wearing Deep Throat by NARS. Dang dong. Must be that whip that I ordered. And a new crib for my daughter. Japan is so haunted. The fuck you mean, my guy? Don't do that. I'm too drunk to have people fucking with me like that. Man, you could fuck my night up in 2 seconds with that shit. Fuck. I need music now, bitch. How fucking dare you, bitch? I'm just trying not to be fucking, like, loud and shit. iTunes. Where's iTunes at, bitch? Fuck all y'all motherfuckers.